Ros Emely. How are you guys today? Don't forget to subscribe for more easy family recipes. Today I have a special treat for you. We're gonna be making Dominican style chicken heart recipe with onions, bell peppers, so many good delicious things. It's easy, it's perfect, it has so many nutrients for your health. Start eating chicken hearts. If you never tasted it before and made it, you gotta watch this video because I make it simple, I make it delicious, I make it straightforward, guys. You know how it is. Hope you guys enjoy it. Now let's get started with this chicken heart recipe video. Let's start with 1 pound of chicken hearts. I left it whole. You can cut it in half if you want. And I already cleaned it with vinegar and drained it in water. They look just like that. Now we're ready to season it. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. It just adds so much flavor. Now we're going to add salt. And salt is to your taste and liking. But right now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt. You can actually taste it at the end. If it needs more salt, you can add more salt. And I'm also adding a pinch of ground black pepper. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And half a teaspoon of turmeric powder as well. And now for our vegetables, I have here 2 small tomatoes, finely chopped, red onions, as well as yellow, green, and red bell peppers. All my vegetables are pre-washed, and you add to your liking. We're gonna mix very well, making sure all of the ingredients are well incorporated. And now we're ready to cook. In my pan at medium-high heat, I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and now we're ready to add our chicken hearts. Add all of that there, mix a little bit, and we're ready to let this cook for about 10 minutes on medium-high heat. After the 10 minutes, as you can see, our chicken hearts are starting to cook. We're gonna add half a cup of tomato sauce or pasta sauce to add color, to add flavor. We're gonna mix well. We're gonna cover this up and continue to cook for 10 minutes on medium-high heat. And of course, we are done after 20 minutes of cooking. You can taste it now. If it needs more salt, ground pepper, you can add it. Guys, we're ready to serve our delicious Dominican style chicken hearts. So good, delicious, healthy. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time.